Unlock the latch and pull out the waste bin. Remove the lid to take out all accessories. Install the trash bag in the waste bin, ensuring it is flat at the bottom. Install the lid. Put the N50 in and press firmly to secure it. Install the waste bin back and lock the latch. Insert the adapter into the main unit and plug it in. Place the device on a firm, level surface, keeping a 5 to 10 cm distance from the wall. Press the menu button to switch to maintenance mode. Press the OK button to execute this function, and the cylinder begins to rotate. When the cylinder stops with its opening facing upward, pour in the cat litter. Press the menu button to switch to level cat litter. Then press the OK button, and the device will automatically level cat litter.